Hello. So today I'm going to be looking at four ticker symbols: Amazon, Nvidia, Salesforce, and Microsoft. And the reason why I'm looking at these four ticker symbols is because they have all incorporated AI into their software, into their technology, into their company, and there has been bullish momentum on the stock price. So first, let's look at Microsoft. As we can see, this is a chart from the beginning of the year, January. As we can see, the price over here is 368. Now it jumped all the way up to 421. It's currently at 410. So the price did jump significantly. A lot of people are speculating that it could have been because of AI and them integrating AI into their software. So keep an eye on that. CRM, which is Salesforce, you can see again right over here. This is the beginning of the year, January. So we can see the price over here about 250, and then it jumps all the way to almost $300. That's a $50 gain. Now that might not seem like a lot, but if you're trading options, if you're holding more than one position, then it's a good amount. If you buy one stock, yes, it's not going to be that much, but depending on how you trade it, it can be. Next, we're going to be looking at Amazon, and as we can see over here, Amazon at the beginning of the year is at 150 and jumps to 175. There's huge bullish momentum right there, right here on this day. So it happened overnight, as we can see. It didn't happen during live trading hours, but if you did get in on that, then good. And if you were someone who were to buy and hold, then that would be even better. So the last one that I want to look at is Nvidia. Nvidia has made huge bullish momentum since January. As we can see, this is January right here, and the price is $485. The price jumped all the way to $821, and that is huge. That is a huge amount of money in a couple of months, and they have definitely incorporated artificial intelligence, AI, into their technology, and they are doing great, and a lot of their shareholders are doing great as well. If you're holding contracts, option contracts, then you'll probably be doing really great right now. So keep an eye on these companies that are using AI. If they're using artificial intelligence, they are going to grow at a rapid rate. They're going to make it more user friendly. People are going to be more likely to use their software just because it's easier, and a lot of people are catching on to AI. Not only does it make their jobs easier, but it helps them gather information and put it together quickly. Unfortunately, this isn't good for all people, because a lot of people might lose their job due to AI, which is already happening. The huge tech layoffs with some of the FANG companies that happened a while ago. But if AI continues to advance, then there could be a lot of people who are out of a job, and hopefully these guys come up with a way to employ people, jobs. Hopefully more jobs can be created, but from the looks of it, a lot of people might be out of a job in the next 10 to 20, 30 years if AI grows at this level. But only time can tell. I'm sure that something will be sorted out. I'm pretty sure that they won't. I'm pretty sure that a lot of people won't be unemployed, walking about and having no work or anything like that to do. So, with that being said, keep an eye on AI stocks.